Alright, I want to do an intro video. I took the compact out on the 18th. See, it's clear. And put about, I think it was about 200 rounds. And I wrote it down somewhere. I didn't have any failures to feed whatsoever. Shot pretty accurate, although maybe some shots were on me. So it's pretty reliable. Factory 13 round magazine worked fine. Hive 2+2 round extensions worked fine. Didn't have any issues whatsoever. So these worked great. I did have some slight issues putting in the last round, but other than that, they worked fine. I still haven't broke this in, so that's going to be the next part, is to break this in with some draws, some drive draws, some dry fire. I haven't had a chance to manipulate that. I think I was talking about maybe cutting down this piece and moving down here, but I don't know. It's just to be determined. So meanwhile, I'm going to be using this gear to carry it. Although it's winter's ongoing right now, and it's probably going to warm up pretty quick. So I think once it warms up, I'll probably go to this one. Hopefully I broke that one in pretty quick. Anyway, this is just an intro part of the video. The next part of the video is the actual shooting at the range, test firing, and so forth. Enjoy. Alright, I'm out at the range today. Today is Tuesday, February 18th. I'm just going to be running 150 rounds of MagTech. I had a couple of these left over from my last carry load. Also be running some of these also. So see how this custom M&P 40C 9C conversion is gonna work. Okay, so the first set of rounds will be these 30 rounds, testing out these 15 round magazines, 13 round factory magazines with Hive 2 round extensions. 30 rounds total I'm going to shoot, see how they function. Alright, going to be going 3 rounds each target. Should I say each circa? 15 rounds. Good luck. Second magazine. Yep, didn't have any failure to feed issues. I know I'm all over the place. Alright. Oh, here we go. Not bad for first rounds fired through the slide and barrel. Okay, next I'm going to run 10 regular ball through the 50-round magazines. I'm gonna do a mixture of hollow points with full metal jackets. See if I get any figurative feeds. Next is a mixture of jacket hollow points and full metal jackets in the first magazine. 2 additional magazines will be 10 rounds each. Nice group, kind of spread out, but not bad. Okay, next set of rounds to test are defensive rounds. Federal 9mm 135, low recoil. I carry these in my my shield, so I figured I'd carry them in this one too. They're going to be for functionality and accuracy. Let's give it a run. Each magazine is 5 to 6 rounds because it's a 20-round box, so it's divided up amongst 3. Okay, this is the Federal 135 grain Hydro Shock, I think, believes. 5 to 6 rounds each magazine, each target, testing for accuracy and functionality. Pretty good group, pretty good group, pretty good group. I'd say that's an effective round as far as accuracy goes. Functionality was great, no issues. Okay, that'll be it for testing rounds per se. I'm just going to run the last, what is that, 50, 40, 40 rounds plus these over here with these 10-round magazines, and run some of the 15-round magazines also, just to make sure it functions completely. And that'll be it for the day. Alright, that's all she wrote. 0 failures to feed. The slight spread, that's on me. Alright, thanks. Well, hope you liked the video, my overall discussion of this pistol as the custom work has progressed. I really do like the work that was done on this pistol, and I'm probably going to be carrying it shortly. Still need to get some ammunition, but thanks for watching my video.